I don't like making travel plans. I decided to just wander around slowly there. Wander aimlessly. Even if I get lost in Tokyo. It seems pretty nice. Because someone once said this. Checking in. Only records where you've been. But a real trip doesn't know where you're going next. If you also like this kind of travel, welcome to join me to get lost together in Tokyo.
不好意思，我在这拍一下啊。
我以为是高楼大厦，
不是，
怎么好像是一片农村的感觉吗？
好像
什么？
就是那什么丛林。
东京就这样吗？我是没来过。我想象中，比如说降落在上海、北京，不是往下看全是一片城市嘛？
对对对，可好看了哈！
怎么会？
应该马上。
这感觉很不一样。
There's actually no elevator here. I thought Japan was very user-friendly in all aspects. We have to go down here.
Skyline, not sky access. No. Next. Thanks.
を行うため停車
反対側の改札口ご利用ください。
There are staff members guiding the crowds everywhere in the subway. The number of people is incredibly large. Okay. Go to the ticket machine and buy a ticket to Ueno Station.
A ticket. Search by station name. A number. Okay. UENO. UENO. Okay.
Please insert money or a card. If you need a receipt, touch the receipt button.
OK。
I never expected it to be such a place. Alright, we've arrived at the station. Exit from here and head to the hotel. The dumplings are probably $7. This room is about 12 square meters. It's very clean. In the center of Tokyo. It's around $62. I think it's not bad. Alright, let's go out. Grab something to eat. Checked Google Maps. There's an Ikran ramen restaurant nearby.
哇，这太夸张了吧？这啥意思啊？
说排队要等半个小时，太夸张了。去旁边紧挨着的一家拉面馆去吃吧。
这个好像是，这好像是笋吧？试看。和我在上海吃的日式拉面味道不一样。好像这个味道比起上海的拉面来说，我感觉还有点清淡。上海的好像太浓了。这个是这个。好像是冰蛋。我感觉很不错。哇，还有这么多人啊！哎，我觉得这家店还不错啊。这家店我刚刚就在这家里吃的，这个店味道很不错啊，怎么会没这么多人？
I never expected to see motorcycles speeding on the streets of Tokyo. I'm walking towards Samyoko now. This looks like an area. Is this a market? Similar to a flea market? It seems like it. Wow, why are there so many food stalls? Hey, look, this is really interesting. The shops on both sides have all put their tables and chairs outside, and then they separated them with plastic sheets. In this way, the passage in the middle can only allow one person to pass through at a time. So it's like this. It has a really strong sense of daily life and vitality. It feels really nice. I really can't imagine it. In China, like Beijing and Shanghai, would allow merchants to do this kind of thing. Wow, it's really crowded. As an Asian, I just love this kind of lively and vibrant place.
啊，这里是不是就应该是安北横丁？哇，这很著名吗？为什么这里有拍照？他们在表演什么节目？哎，这个难道是孔子吗？看看。我来看看是不是孔子啊？看看 ，sorry。录孔子语，哎，好像真是孔子哦，叫九无量。录孔子语，孔子说什么呢？看看啊，招新员工啊，看看啊。哎呀，我要用翻译软件翻译一下。正式员工吧，应该是35万是吗？一个月30万多少钱？哎呦，一个月有18000左右吧啊！往返的交通费每天有30块钱啊，时间从11点到24点，这时间还是有点长的，13个小时。动政山坎坷。但不管怎么样，这个价格我觉得还行啊，1万多。16000、17000左右。哇，原来是真是孔子《论语》里面说过的，叫“唯酒无量，不及乱”。哇，惭愧啊！我中国人我都不知道有孔子说过这么句话。觉得这像是一个中国人开的啊，小魏鸭脖店。果然都是中国人开的啊，凉皮800块钱，大概40多元人民币吧。米线40多块钱也还 OK 啦，12个馄饨是450块钱，还有东北小吃，炒冷面、酸辣粉、馄饨，哇！现在是晚上8点钟，我觉得这里还是很热闹。我好像，怎么说呢，在上海好像没看到这么热闹的地方，也可能我在上海没找到地方吧。你看，这么多年轻人，好像这个人喝醉了。
Look, they're traveling with their whole family. They're even pulling suitcases. They must be tourists. They're all a few foreigners.
哇，全是感觉到好像是像是在国内啊！你看，湖南料理、炭火挖锅、三阳开泰，都是几个老外，看到没有？我们在上海街头好像很少看到这种老外的。
Alright. The first night in Tokyo, my biggest impression is that the offline economy is extremely booming. The streets are packed with people. Besides that, there are a lot of Western tourists. This is just my initial impression. I'll go out and explore properly during the day tomorrow. See you next time.